Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and today we're gonna be talking about Notion forms. Like literally having a form in Notion. Now I don't know how many of you use Notion on your day-to-day basis, but yeah, start using Notion. It's a great app, and if you are not using it, I don't know where you are. But whatever. Like we can use Notion for multiple things. Probably you know the use cases, and one of the use cases building not web apps but building public sites without hosting anything anywhere or any domains, without buying any domains. Just we can create. I know many of the creators who have created their portfolio in Notion, or full-fledged working website in Notion. So Notion is quite powerful, but this one functionality we need in every Notion possible Notion page, that is, if it's public, or even if it's not public, if it's for your personal use, if you are creating a personal dashboard, you need to have a form, right? You require some kind of form. So today I have found out the best possible Notion plugin, like Notion form plugin. I have used all of them, like not all of them but many of them, many of the popular options, and tested every one of them, and this is the best I could found. Like I literally have created one form with it and implemented it in my Notion page. And about that Notion page, we're gonna be talking about that in future. Recently I'm gonna launch something, so yeah, so let's see what it is, the what the website is, or what the plugin does. Let's see. Yeah, so here is our today's website. Or is it a web app? I don't know. It's a plugin, but how they are working underneath, I don't know actually. So whatever, web app, API, plugin, whatever. Notion forms, as simple as that. Like this is it's form for Notion, and that's it. Literally that's it. And here you can found some of the feature they are also providing. It's a paid plugin. First of all, it's a paid plugin, but their free version provide a lot of things that you can customize with. Like you can have a look here, like infinite number of fields, infinite number of forms, infinite number of responses. Why they are giving these all of these to you? Because all of the datas are saved in your database, so they don't even care how many number of responses you are taking. So that's a catch here, right? As if they are giving you all of them straight. But yeah, they are give you providing you the API free, or API or plugin for free. That's really generous of them, because we know how software developers create apps, like how hard it is. So obviously kudos to them for this one. And here you can, before creating any account or anything like that, you can create, like view the demo of the form here also. So yeah, here is a form. Here you can click on, obviously click on all of them and test it out. Okay, and that's it. That's actually it. Nothing else. Actually, obviously you can search on it and all and click on submit. Now the interesting part, let me create a form. Actually I have a form already, but let me create a new form for you. So you can select the workspace, and you can select like one of the you have, one of the database you have, and click on continue. So here are some of the tags, okay, that you can create from that list. And every time they give you a tour, I don't know why, one time tour is okay. You can set up the title and set up the description also, that all many of the forms doesn't provide, many of the Notion form doesn't provide. You can customize every individual field uh, on your own way, like if you want to be it to be hidden, or if it's a required field, or here he is the field name, and here you can give a pre-filled data also. And here is the text holder, and here is another thing, that field help text that will appear here, you can see that here. So it's really a great feature that all of them doesn't provide. Like what Airtable, I think Airtable provides it, but it's a pro feature there, and some of the other apps doesn't provide it. So yeah, that's a great thing. And here you have the customization or customization control over this button. And the most generous thing that they have done, in free version also they allowed you to remove the Notion from branding. How cool is that? Kudos to them for this. To be honest, kudos to them for this little thing. Thank you. Now about submission, you can obviously customize the submission portion also, and you can customize your own message that will appear here after submitting the form. So yeah, that's it. Now you can create the form, it will generate the form for you. Then they will provide all of the details how to integrate that form into your Notion file. So yeah, that's it about this website. Use this platform, this is a great tool. And let me know in the comments if you like it or not. And if you like my contents, please do subscribe to my channel. And if you know about some of the great apps, cool website, cool resources, please let me know about them also in the comment section, so I can feature them in my future videos. So bye.